PETSEE automatic thermostatic pet water fountain coming. One click to activate thermostatic mode. Base heating function 24, H constant temperature control. Normal temperature for 3 seasons, heating in winter. Cordless power supply. Put it anywhere. Wireless electromagnetic induction water pump. Triple physical separation. Make water static free. Up to 120 days of long-lasting battery life. Look, Max is coming. Relay love it. 4-5 L large capacity. Supports 1 pet for 15 days. Antibacterial filter element triple physical filtration effectively prevents biofilm formation. Every drinking is clean. Reminder when the water shortage. Whisper quiet design without disturbing you and your pet's rest. Easy to clean and assemble. This is PETSEE automatic thermostatic pet water fountain.